Namaste, hello and welcome to Yogatainment. Our today's friend for this video is this one. Oops. So you must have heard when life throws lemons at you, make lemonade out of it. But today we're going to see 5 amazing things besides lemonade that we can do with this miracle object, right? So, and after those 5 things, I'm going to tell you one amazing tip that you're surely going to be thankful for. Alright, but before that, we're going to look at 5 different ways that we can use a lemon. नींबू को 5 अलग अलग तरीके से किस तरह से यूज कर सकते हैं for our amazing health benefits. Alright, so the first one we are going to look at is using lemon early in the morning, having lemon juice early in the morning. It is amazing to have this lemon juice, maybe of about half a lemon early in the morning at empty stomach, reduces acidity. So lemon by itself is acidic in nature, but when you have it with a glass of water, have half a lemon or one lemon with a glass of water, it reduces acidity. It becomes alkaline when it goes inside our stomach and helps us to reduce acidity. And if you're having it with warm water, अगर आप इसे गर्म पानी के साथ या गुनगुने गर्म पानी के साथ पीते हो तो definitely it will also help you with weight loss. So that's our tip number 1 with this amazing lemon. The second one is using it to enhance iron absorption. So you might have heard or you might know that green leafy vegetables have a lot of iron in it, right? So green leafy vegetables, ladyfinger, भिंडी, ये सारी चीजें हमारे बॉडी में आयरन, हीमोग्लोबिन बढ़ाने के लिए यूज होते हैं. But did you know that absorption of iron in our body requires presence of vitamin C, right? And this little lemon is a very good source of vitamin C. So how do we use it? After you've prepared a dish with say any iron rich food, say for example spinach, अगर आपने पालक की सब्जी या मेथी की सब्जी बनाई है, after switching off the gas, just pour a spoon of lemon juice and mix it and then serve your vegetable. It's going to increase the iron absorption in your body. So जो iron आप खाने वाले हो उसमें से जितना मिलता था आपको उससे कई ज़्यादा आपके बॉडी में सिर्फ नींबू निचोड़ने से वो iron content improve हो सकता है. So that's the second tip of it. Going on to the third one, not just the lemon juice, this outer skin of the lemon is also useful. We're going to look at how to use the entire lemon, पूरा नींबू कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं. So we are going to use the frozen lemon zest. Lemon zest is the outer, ये जो yellow part है नींबू का, that's called as the lemon zest. How do we use it? You wash the lemon, धोना है नींबू को बहुत अच्छे से, and then you dry it, and then उसे पोंछ कर अच्छी तरह से पोंछ कर फ्रीजर में रख देना है. Freeze it in a freezer and let it freeze for a day or two, and whenever you want to use it, once it's frozen you can use it over and over again. बाहर निकालना है और कोई भी आपका सब्जी, सैलेड, सूप, whatever you prepare, once you've switched off the gas, grate the lemon zest. वो जो frozen नींबू है उसे grate करके आपकी सब्जी हो, सूप हो, सैलेड हो, उसके ऊपर सर्विंग में डालना है. Now how is this going to help us? One, the lemon zest is packed with antioxidants. It is amazing for our heart health. It is very good for our oral health. मुंह से कई बार बदबू आती है या टीथ के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा उपयोगी है ये lemon zest. Also, it has a lot of fiber. So not just the juice, we are getting vitamin C, we are getting a lot of minerals, but we are also getting fiber when we use lemon zest. Also, it is an amazing immunity booster, something that we need so much right now, right? So that's the third use of it. So एक बार नींबू यूज कर लिया उसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं? What do we do after we have used up the juice of it, we throw it away, right? But guess what? Here's something else that we can do. आपका नींबू काट के यूज करके उसका पूरा रस निचोड़ लेने के बाद क्या कर सकते हैं? You dry the skin of the lemon, right? And once you dry it, you sun dry it. घर पे कुछ अलग से नहीं करना है, धूप में रख देना है. Let it dry, and here is what you get. Once you dry the skin of the lemon, the used lemon, right? इसको इस तरह से, and if it's old enough, it's going to change its color to become a little more brownish, right? You dry it, and what do you do after drying? Here is what you do. You make a powder out of it, right? So ये पूरा नींबू था जो हमने यूज करके सुखा के ऐसा कर दिया, and सुखाने के बाद उसका, again this can be done at home in your mixie, right? Mixer grinder. You make a powder out of it, and guess what? How we are going to use this powder? We're going to rub it on our skin. नहाते समय instead of your amazing soaps, we are going to use this. You can use this lemon powder, not lemon powder, actually the used up dried lemon powder, and it's an amazing one to improve your skin. Makes it very smooth and glowing skin. You'll never have to go get a facial done. It's going to help you to glow your skin and get you very nice smooth skin. Also helps to reduce scaly skin. But in case you have any skin allergies, please consult your doctor before using it on your skin. First of all, we saw simple lemon juice in water, either warm water or normal water. Second, we saw using lemon juice on iron rich veggies. So it could be green leafy vegetables, it could be ladyfinger, anything. Third, we saw using lemon zest, frozen lemon zest. Fourth is using the used dry lemon powder. If not powder, अगर आप उसे सुखाते नहीं भी हो, जस्ट यूज लेमन, जो फ्रेश स्किन होती है, द फ्रेश यूज लेमन also you can use on your skin. So it's okay if you do not have the facility to dry and powder it. You can use the fresh skin as well. And coming to our last magical tip with this friend of ours is, I'm sure everyone has stained their clothes with oil and pickle and haldi and all of that, right? So and definitely हर दाग अच्छे नहीं होते. We definitely don't want oil stains on our clothes. So this friend of ours here helps us to wash out those oily stains. How do we use it? सबसे पहले एक रुई में डेटॉल लेना है, and you rub that stain with the cotton. So जहाँ भी आपके कपड़े पर ऑयल का, हल्दी का, अचार का, पिकल का दाग हुआ हो, take Dettol in a cotton and rub the stain with that cotton with Dettol. Once you've done that, take lemon juice in that cotton and then rub over the stain again. So you first rub the stain with a ball of cotton with Dettol, and then you rub it with a ball of cotton with lemon juice, and then you wash it off with your normal whatever detergent you use it. You can use it on any colored clothes, and bingo, you're going to find magic. It's going to wash out those oily stains, and you're going to say thank you to this little friend of ours. So the next time life throws lemons at you, we have 5 or 6 more things to do besides making a lemonade, right? Do try those out and let us know how you find them. Thank you so much.
चलो